Are you hear me? I'm not sure you hear me right now. As I understand right now, you hear me. Is it good sound or not? This is the main question. Right now, maybe plug problem. No, I have no plug. Uh, right. Are you hear me? I'm not sure you hear me right now. Yeah, right now I understand you hear me well. Ha! That's okay. Yeah, yeah. Ha! Yeah, everything is okay right now. Sorry, guys. Yeah, right now you hear me well, and let's start it again. Welcome to the render.camp. Today we will build this beautiful image. I hope you like it. Right now I understand that's why you are here, and we will build exactly this. Exactly this image. Let me know if you hear me well, and give me some pluses to the chat if you hear me well. If the sound is good, because sometimes you can hear some problems in the sound, not existing sound. I'm talking about some problems, maybe scratches or something like this. Okay, perfecto. Thank you. So let's go. First of all, I would like to explain you how we work in real project. I already started doing this, but never mind, I will repeat it again. I build this image. Of course, I build it with the reference, with this, with where's it? With this reference. This image was the reference for this render. Of course, I built it exactly for this workshop. Not know any one reason I have exactly for this image, but totally this is very important thing to work with the reference for every CGI artist, because reference, this is an answer what are included to image you really like. So first of all, you should decide which image you like, and next step will be to try to build the same mood like in image you like. So how it works in real life. For example, I already started to show this. We have this image. We found this image. We found this image a few years, maybe half of year ago, or maybe more. And we put this image to the folder to our course guys who are doing our course. Maybe choose this image and build them. And one of the guys take this image, and we work with it. And in I think a few months ago, someone client come to me and asked me to build a real project for escapers from Kharkiv. You know, in our country, in Ukraine, we're war right now, and a lot of people miss their homes. So a lot of houses broken, and these guys from, I don't know, I don't remember the name of company, but they start to build houses for these escapers, and they come to us, and I remember about this scene, and we built this beautiful image. This is most understandable explanation where we use exactly this reference and whole model from this scene to build our own project. Of course, this project was nice, and client was agreed with these projects from the first preview, and everything was great. That's why you should always work with the reference, because with the reference you can faster find your find mood you need to for the exactly for this project, and this will be faster for sure. Of course, here is maximal situation when we build exactly the same composition, exactly the same colors, exactly the same everything. But probably one of our students build this scene, not me, not any of our studio. And I asked him to send this scene to me, and he sent, and I just put here these two spheres. I don't know the name of these houses, tent houses, something like this. And that's all what I did. But never mind. For real project, it could be the same. Maybe not same. Maybe you can change orientation. Maybe make it horizontal, not vertical. And in this moment, it will be absolutely different image. This is not so important what exactly I did exactly with this project, but this is example how we how you can work with the reference in real situation. So let's go. We have this reference, we have this render, and we will build the same. You know, I heard a lot, and I always hear a lot of opinion. You should how to build most realistic leaves or something detailed. I'm absolutely sure the most, of course, detailed everything, environment, models, shaders, textures, this is everything very important. But most important than any detail in your render, that is your understanding and the mood of this image. For example, here in this render, we have no shader on this tree at all. We have no any textures, just shader. On these trees on background, we don't have it too. On these bushes, we have no any texture and any shader, just basic material. Of course, because we don't need it here. And probably on these chairs or seats inside car, we don't have them too. This is just a shader. Probably, of course, we can add them here, but this not will change the whole emotion of this image. This is not so important. For example, here we don't have any textures on this pipe, on this box, and on these armchairs too. Something like this. I'm sure this is not last version of the of this render, because here I forgot to hide this, to hide maybe final. Probably that was my mistake, but who cares? This is exactly for workshop. Okay, so my opinion, this is not working with a lot of details. The most important thing, this is work with whole understanding of your image and whole emotion, most important emotion of your image. And of course, if you catch it, next steps will be much more easy. So let's start to work with. I think I should shut up a little bit and start work. Okay, let's go. We will work from the scratch. So I will put this image here, viewport background. I will open render tab. I will take this proportion, common corona render. Here is no preset or something like this. Just simple simple resetted, just resetted scene. Let's change it here. 564 and 703. Yeah, I think somebody cut it. Shift F. I add here my hotkeys, so you will see. Oh, probably you see my webcam under under. I think I will add my hotkeys. 1 second. You will see it, and it will be easier for you. For example, somewhere here. Yeah, that's here will be easier. Let's work. First of all, I would like to find the perspective of this image. How I can build this? And customize unit setup and millimeters. Here is centimeters. Yeah. Next tab is add here box. It will this car. I think something like 1800 millimeters, but probably this is old car. Before the cars was a little bit more smaller, maybe 1600, something like this. And here is, this is not so important. I will put here something like 4000, and height of them, let it be 1 meter. This is not so important too. Shift J. Oh, probably I don't change anything. Yeah, here is better. F2. I don't need any grid. And let's try to use perspective control. And of course I will try to work with the doesn't work. Let's change a little bit. Yeah. Next point is these arcs, but I'm not sure they are on the same level. That's why I will work with the tires. Probably, I think this is most yeah. And these points, I'm sure these points on the same level. Yeah, something like this. This is only one. Something like this, but I'm not sure the verticals are vertical right now. I will add here Control C camera, select camera, perspective control, vertical tile. Some problem with this scene, I'm not sure why, but I will reset it, and I will add the picture again because I see some problem here. I feel it. I will rebuild it again. Customize unit setup. Maybe I broke something. Yeah, centimeters. Custom. I will make it faster this time. Five, 6, 4, 703. Yeah. Let's make it bigger, maybe like this. Later we will change it. Let's do it again. I will make it smaller, I think. And high 1 meter. Yeah, here is better. Let's add the perspective match again. I'm sure this line are parallel. Yeah, here is better. No this kind of problems here. I don't know why sometimes it's work weird. Yeah, now it's better. Control C, I will add the camera. With the camera, select camera. I will go to modify and auto vertical tile. Yeah, looks good. Next step, I will build the whole scene with huge boxes because I would like to do it so fast as I can. But one important thing, I don't want to work with strange angle because this will be a little bit more difficult for me. That's why I will roll this group with the camera and my future car. I will group them. I will answer you why I will group them, because if I will roll it without it, I will roll the camera too. It will break. The camera will be broken. That's why I group it. And of course, I try to find this perspective exactly for this object. Maybe not so high, maybe not so wide. Yeah. And I should receive this perspective. Something like this. Yeah. Because camera can be rolled. This is not a problem, but if all object around camera will be rolled, it will be difficult to work. Something like this. Little bit more. Something like this. Yeah. Let's continue. Let's continue to work. Yeah, here it looks good. Maybe not so close, but never mind. I will turn on it, convert it to editable poly. I will make it higher or longer or something like this. Yeah. Here is 1, 2, 3, 40 meters. Looks like not more than 30 meters, but okay, let's try to work in this way. Maybe I will make the next wall closer. Right now we will check this. But this size looks... Oh, here is not so... as I understand... here we should make it a little bit in a different way. convert to editable poly. Let go with a shift somewhere here, yeah. And later we will go on the same level. Yeah, right now it's correct, I think. Maybe not, who cares? Like this. I think I should probably here. I don't see this rod going down. That's why I will do it like this. Yeah. And of course I will move this line closer to camera. Yeah, like this. And here I will add longer line, and here I will make closer rod, something like this. Yeah. I'm not sure this rod, this fans parallel to these fans. I have no information about this, but how wide this rod? I'm not sure how wide is it, but looks like maybe 8 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 meters. Can it be 6? Why not? It can be. But of course, wide can be different. This can be not straight line for sure. But never mind. Probably if it will be flat, this will not be any problem for composition, because our first goal, most important thing to build the emotion, not exactly this place in real world. So let's go next, and I think I will work with these fans, something like here. I will add here some corner and something like this, but I'm not sure. This is 90 degrees between this wall and this wall. It can be different. So, and probably I will have no possibility to know this information. That's why this is not important for us right now. I will add extrude here, modifier. And later I will add shell. Yeah, and that's why I think not so wide. I think 500, that's okay. Yeah. And I will straighten corners, because I think they should be with the same wide. What else? I think this element should be smaller. Let's push this button. Yeah, here I see this point, but probably I'm not sure about perspective. Maybe perspective should be different a little bit. Of course I can change it, like this one. In this case I should make these fans lower, but probably it looks good, nothing special. But here I receive better situation. Yeah, like this. Better situation exactly for this element. Let's work with it. I think yeah, I would like move it somewhere here, somewhere here. That's why I will move it this element. Something like this. Yeah, it's okay. It's maybe it's okay. Am I need doing like this? Yes, of course. For sure I can. Fill it. I will do something like this. Everything's okay. Looks good. Why not? Here is some problem. No. Here is everything's okay. And this building, I should add here some box, probably huge box, something like this. And I understand this. Here we have this arc. I don't know what it is, but behind this arc, we have this building. So this is somewhere behind this building, and here we have this sidewalk or some road or something like this, and this building exactly in front of these fans. That means we will have some place between these fans and this building. I think this is not so complicated to understand. That's why I will roll it a little bit and put it somewhere here. I mean, we should have here some place for walking. Yeah, okay. I will make it a little bit higher. Little bit, no, not important how higher it will be. How high it will be, yeah. Next point, I will work with this because I'm almost sure this line should be parallel to this. Yeah. Here it looks good. I think I will convert it to editable poly. That's why I will make this point higher. Maybe I will make whole fence higher. Probably it should be higher. But here is not. I think I will add here, I will ungroup it. I will add here target, and I will make it higher, and camera will goes down. Yeah, that's better. Of course, car I will move a little bit in front of us. Yeah, everything looks good, but this fan's little bit broken. Of course, I will move it a little bit. Maybe something like this. Yeah, let's local. Yeah, I don't want to do this but right now it's more. I don't want to work with this too long. That's why I'm doing this. Let's change the camera. Let's change the viewports. I will add the background here. Yeah, top, front. Here will be easier a little bit. I will make it shorter, something like this. Yeah, right now it looks better, much better. And of course this road will be shorter, and I like it too. Probably this wall will be shorter and maybe not so high. Yeah, like this one. Convert it. This road should be not so low. Because I would like to have this high of this road. This is not so important again, but never mind, we should start somewhere. No, probably it should be lower. I will leave it somewhere here. Let it be. Yeah. This element I will leave here. Everything looks good. What else I need to do? I need to add. I need to finish this sidewalk. I will do it like this one. It will be a little bit more carefully. I will add here a few lines because I would like, probably I don't need them, but I don't like have holes here. I don't need them. That's why I will add. Maybe I will receive some light. Some light can go through these holes to my building from the HDRI map or something like this. What's next? Next I need to continue this road, but I'm not sure how it goes there. I never been here, so I will copy this element and I will put it here somehow. I will hope it will be enough. I hope it will be enough. Yeah. Higher. And of course I will make it lower because I don't need add here any additional element, something like wall or something like this. Left. I will turn off grid. I don't need it. Probably it not helps anyhow. Yeah. So here I have some wall. Here I have some. Everything's okay right now. As for me, this is a good result, and right now I can add here some smaller elements. For example, this box. In the middle of this box I will put some cylinder. Of course, a little bit thinner, something like 40. Yeah, it's okay. Later I will add the fabric on it. Probably I think it should be somewhere there. No? Okay, that's mean no. Maybe there. The size, the final size, probably not important at all. Okay, what's next? Next, I need to add some details here for sure. Which details I would like to start with? this is not so important probably, but some of them should be making firstly. Which exactly? Probably I think the trees. The trees I use in this project, that was this max 3 models. Plant model volume 36, plant volume max 3. All of these max 3 trees. Number 77, number 25, and number 32. I will not add them from the folders. I will copy them from this scene. It will be faster because anyway I will rebuild the textures. I will shaders. Anyway I will rebuild the size. So I just will copy this model from this scene, and that's everything I will take here. Maybe not everything, of course, but that it will be just faster. I will copy these models. I add here 4 different trees. Computer. I will copy these models here, and right now I should wait in maybe a few minutes. No, it's faster. I would think we should wait longer. Okay. Corona. Oh, computer. Copy. ID. If you would like, we will add link to this Max 3 website, but probably I'm sure you can find it without any problems. max3.org, and here you can find a lot of nice trees. I absolutely in love with these models. We use them pretty often. I'm just bought a few new catalogs. Okay, what's next? Of course I was change the proportion. That's why I will go back to original size. And of course I will roll them. Anyway, that will be faster than add them automatically from the folders. That's model I have, and I will take a few of them. Nice. Okay, I will take first of them and I will put it somewhere here. And of course I watch to my reference, and I move it somewhere closer to these fans, something like this, and I will make it smaller, exactly like I need for this project. Yeah, something like this. I can hide it, I can unhide it, and probably I will move it a little bit. Maybe I will make it a little bit bigger, something like this, because the main shape of these trees should be the same. Maybe not exactly the same, but be careful with this, because the shape of this is about composition. This tree, some part, something like some piece of this composition, and very important thing. And this tree should be exactly with the same size, something like this. Yeah, we can move it little bit closer. Okay. I think next step I will add here the car, because I will start doing my test renders, not not for render, of course, it's very early, but for composition, for I would like to find the holes between these branches, and be sure everything is okay here. Yeah, this is a group, so everything's okay. I will move it here. Of course, I don't find the same model like we have on the reference. I will put it somewhere here. Of course, I will delete this green box. I don't need it. Of course, I will make it a little bit bigger, I think, no? Something like this. This is not so important to do exactly like this. Yeah, here it looks good. Probably I will create new view, and I will take the textures from this tree. Yeah, like this one. Rename, here is basics. Corona legacy. Oh, legacy. And I will put it to until MTL override here. Yeah, that's good. I will make it darker, something like 70. I will add here reflection. Some glossiness, something like 0.607. That's all. That's everything I need. Let's try to add here sun. Corona sun. As you can understand, I don't give you any final settings of the work. I show you how I think when I doing pictures. This is most important thing as for me. And I will start the render. I will start the render from this camera, only from this camera. Yeah, I will hide computer or close it. Intensity, of course, lower, something like this. And first of all, I would like to take the sun position exactly like on the reference, something like this. So I will move it a little bit like here. Let's check it. Yeah, do you see it? Yeah, and probably it's long shadow, so that means sun is very low. This is sunset or something like sunset. What does it mean, something like sunset? or sunset or not. Sunset. I have a question. Is it finish of the shadow or not? Probably yes. This is this backlight here, and here I have almost the same. Yeah. Looks good. Maybe I don't need these reflections. That's why I will move little bit this sun here. Yeah. Right now it looks good. What next? I will add here another trees, but first of all I should understand I have a breaks between these trees, so next tree should be somewhere far. Yeah, so I will move the next tree to this place, closer to fence. Very realistic. Not yet. Thank you, but not yet. It will be the same line of the trees. Yeah. Of course I can road it, but I don't need. First of all, right now we work not about realism. We are work with realism. This is last thing we will work with. I would like to make the same line, so in the perspective this tree should be bigger. But probably no. We don't need make the one line. I think I will try to build something like this. No, it looks good, I think. With the next steps it looks good. And the last one, I think this is the same like this one. I think I will copy last three. Maybe I will move it closer. I found this hole and probably I didn't like it. Of course I would like to delete it or hide somehow. Yeah, here is better. Of course I would like it to make it wider, this road. Of course I will copy this this hole because it will make shadows for us here, and probably we need it. And I think we should move this line closer to this place. Yeah. Looks better. What else? Where is the car model from? Probably I don't remember. I have some collection called Nice Cars, and probably I think this is collection from a lot of different websites. I don't know where I take it, so I have no answer for this. Of course I don't like this yellow color. I will add some color to the sun, but not this type of color. What's next? Next I will add the big trees because I need them for sure. I will take them from from the scene, I already show the catalogs from max 3. All of these trees are taken from max 3, and I will take a few trees from here. As you can see, here is just a simple shader without any textures, and probably I think here is something like 2 different trees, maybe 3, but not more. This is the same tree, number 8 in the no, this is number 2, number 2, number 2. It looks like this is the same trees but different size. No, this is not the same. Never mind, I will take these 2 trees, and that's enough. Copy. I will stop this render for a moment and open Capiter. If you don't know this plugin, please Google it. This is very simple thing. Yeah, here I can here I have these 2 trees. Probably I think I will add the sidewalk. This is far from me. I don't need anything here, but if I will have some light from the downside, it will look strange. That's why I would like to hide it. Of course, I will make it. I will move it a little bit. Yeah, right. Like here, and as I remember, these trees was bigger. Yeah, both of them. I make them smaller. Right now I will explain why. Some of you can say something like, this is real size, why you don't use it, this is not realistic, blah 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 blah. I will answer you right now. Because on the reference I have this size of the leaves, and if I will have this size of the leaves, this will be not realistic, and that's why I would like to make them smaller. A reference for me, this is realistic image. This is not. So what exactly I should do? Right, I should make the trees smaller, or maybe find smaller trees from the folder, but I don't like it. I don't like to spend time for this. This is not important right now. And I don't want to have a holes here. That's why I will add visibly override. I will change it to white because I would like to delete all holes between the branches. Yeah, that's why I will move it lower, because I would like to hide here all holes. And of course you can say, okay, you will do this and everything will look great, but how you can work with a different camera position? If you want, how you will work if you need 10 different cameras? First of all, I will tell you, we are working camera with a real project. We are working with the uh, separate stands for separate cameras. So probably it will be different scene in any way. And of course you can use part of this scene if you understand. I will have possibility to do one more angle, something like this. Of course I will build somewhere here, something here. This is pretty understandable thing. That's why. But I don't build whole world, you know. I never have something like behind the camera. I don't build anything behind the camera. Only one reason why I will work with the models behind the camera, if I have a huge mirror and I see something behind the camera. In this case, of course, yes. But any different case, I will not do anything behind the camera because I will not see anything there. And of course, I think this is wasting of time. That's why I'm absolutely sure you should work with the camera, not with the whole scene. Build one week, build some scene, and then you choose the camera. As for me, this is a fault. And as you can see, I moved the trees a little bit because I would like to do sun rays should goes on every tree, because if I will hide next trees on the shadow, it will looks, as for me, not so good. And with translucency, that will looks good in the end. Of course, I will road it, I think, and I will add one more tree, and I will put it here. Yeah. Okay. And of course I will move the trees on the back side. Of course I can do it with some scatter, something like forest park or corona scatter. This is done not so important for me. I have a lot of RAM, that's why I can do this. But of course, if you have if you have not enough RAM, please use proxy or something like this. I will make them higher with the copy, of course, because these button trees I need to have for close the holes between trees. Yeah, and I will road all of them. Yeah. Of course I can hide them or move them. Probably I will. I think I will move this tree because I don't like these holes. Probably I like them, but I don't have these kind of holes on in my scene, in my reference. That's why I will row them. Or maybe I will put some tree on the background of this in here. Yeah, something like this. Why not? Gray or Corona? No any difference between Gray and Corona for my type. I'm talking about type of thinking, not about render system. This is not important. If you are here exactly for some Corona tool, this is not place for you, probably, really. We talking about how to build a beautiful image, not about how to work with Corona. This is not important. Most important thing, this is you. You are painter. If you are painter, you can paint with any tool. For example, with a Corona, maybe with Ray, maybe with a Storm, maybe with Octane, maybe with Unreal. This is not important. We are not doing something special for Corona or for not Corona. First of all, you should be an artist. Later, user of some special tool, something like Corona. You should feel the beauty and understand how to do the beautiful image, I think. And that looks good. As for me, leaves look small, not right now, but never mind. I understand they are small and everything good here. What's next? Next point is add here some one tree, because I need to hide this element with some first plan, some leaves on the first plan. Yeah. So I will choose some small tree like this one, and I will move this tree somewhere here, close to camera. Maybe instance, why not? And of course I would like to have it so close as I can, as I will find the nice branch like this one. Yeah, this is a little bit too big, and I would like to hide this part, so I will roll it a little bit. Yeah, like this one. Yeah, let's check how it looks in here. Probably it looks good. Why not? Is it enough for first plan? I think yes. Here we will have this flag, so everything's okay. Let's go next, and I will choose this. I will copy these armchairs, sunbeds, and I will copy these trees, because I would like to put them here. That will be these trees. This one, maybe two different trees. Never mind, I will choose only one of them. Yeah, copy. You are from Ukraine or Russia? I am from Ukraine. Oh, guys, let's write something on chat. Where are you from? Your country, your city. If you can write it, it will be nice to know. I will happy to know where are you from. Let's move it here. Be copy. United Kingdom. Hello, Steve. How to you my perfect English? Thanks God I'm not English language teacher. Thanks God I'm not a teacher at all. But I am trying to build a nice images. Warsaw, Poland. Hello, Warsaw. Mars. Hello, somebody from Mars. I'm thinking this object should be a little bit higher. Yeah, somewhere here. Dnipro, Ukraine. This is my city. I born in this city. I was born. Let's move it a little bit in here. English getting better. I'm trying. I'm training every day. In a half of year, I will native speaker. Maybe not. Let's move it somewhere. Probably I don't see next tree, so I don't will use it. That's enough. I will move this armchair, and I found nice thing. First of all, I copy like in usual situation. Every was copy some armchairs or chairs or something like this. I make 4 copies, yeah, something like this, and start the render. And that was not mistake, but that looks strange. Probably I think I need to make them higher, or maybe I should make these fans lower. Little bit, of course. Of course, this is not like looks a little bit lower than on the reference, but who cares? Yeah. And probably I don't like this. And what I did, of course, right now I would like to make them a little bit bigger, wider and bigger. Yeah, but this is just for exactly this scene. Maybe not so close to the fans, and maybe a little bit more bigger. Yeah, here's better. But what next? Here looks weird, probably. That's why I go to this armchairs. I will group them one by one. Probably I was thinking I'm already done this. And first of all, I'm do two different groups, something like this. Not group like group for 3D Max, group like this is separate object, the armchair, this is separate armchairs, and each of them I wrote little bit and move little bit, and in this case there looks much more realistic and much more like from real life, you know, not ideal. Hi from Kazakhstan. Hello guys. Yeah, I'm sure that looks good. Much nicer than before. Maybe I will move this armchairs. Maybe I will move these armchairs closer a little bit, not closer, but not so close to this flag. Yeah, it's okay. Right now it looks good. What else? Of course, later I will add the I will add here the wall and something like this. But right now I need here this this statue. So I will stop the render and I will go to probably I think I should close this scene because I'm a little bit afraid which scene I will add the models from. Let's try from bridge megascans. If you don't know what this, please Google it because this is great thing. This is website, this is a company, and they scan different real they scan real world and give us access to these models, of course not for free but not so expensive, and we can work with these models and we can add them automatically to our scene. Everything easy and great. I absolutely in love with this website, not website, company. Yeah. I would like to make it maybe higher. Of course, I should check how high is it here. I think he should be a little bit higher. Why not? Maybe not so. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. Let's go next. I would like to add here this wall and this wall. Probably I'm not sure what exactly happens here. That's why I will add the same wall here. Probably this will be the same for sure. I think I use some of these walls. That's why I don't load them. Maybe not. I use this wall in the bottom and some of this walls in the top part of fence. I will wait a few seconds to. They should be added to the scene. Yeah, that is my. Here is my scene. I don't need smaller objects. I will delete them. I will copy only one object, exactly this one, and of course I will make it bigger. And this will be lower part. I'm not sure where exactly it should be, and I will make it bigger. Probably I don't will use any displacement on it because I don't need really. It should be dark and this model is absolutely enough as for me. Maybe not for you, but for me it's okay. Instance. I will copy a few models here. I will hide this wall. Temporary, of course. I think I will move a little bit because of Thailand, you know. Here is better. And let's see how it works. Are you going to save this broadcast? Yes, I will save it. Yeah, right now looks good, but I need to have a top part, and this top part should be flat. That's why I will add one more fence here. Something like this. Exported successfully. Of course, we should wait in a little bit. I don't know why I lost my background. I will add it again because I would like to look on it. Where is my fence? Here is it. I will make it bigger. Something like this, yeah. Yeah, that looks good, and that means I can do it. I think I will do it bigger, lower, and it will looks better. And I will move the statue a little bit. I don't know where exactly. Right now looks good. I will make this fence local. Please. I don't know, 10. This is a little bit too much, but who cares? That's good. I will make them a little bit lower, something like this. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe I don't need second level. I will make this fences, these elements just bigger. Yeah. And I will have possibility to move them lower. That looks good, but for sure I should move them. Yeah, that's good. Less of polygons. Yeah, right now looks good. Let's try to... I don't like this tiling, that's why I will move it a little bit on, or rotate. Something like this. Without snaps, you know, without snaps it works much better every time, much realistic. Oh, looks good. View, I will move this wall here, only in the place where I can see this these fans. Yeah. Looks good. I think, yeah. Let's check how it looks right now. And yeah, guys, I forget to tell you about this. Please share the link to this workshop, because this is very important to share information about us, because I am trying to do my best to show you how to build this image. And please, if you can, share this link with your networks. For example, stories, you can make stories with you and with this workshop, and add the link to this workshop. This is very easy to receive this link. You can push right mouse button here and push this copy URL and add it. It will help us to share our information. This is of course very important for us. Thank you, guys. And of course I will copy this big fans, I will add it here, and I will do some nice thing. Now I will add here modifier called band. Not like this, maybe like this. Yeah, exactly like this. That's everything I need. Great. Copy, delete, and make unique, paste. Thank you. Oh, looks good, but some strange problem. Never mind, I will fix it. This not so difficult. Yeah, but probably I will make it bigger, because I don't want to make two of them. Probably I I don't need to do this. I will copy this instance. No, copy. Yeah. I will delete this band. I will add this element here. Of course, I don't need so wide it or so long. And I will move it in here. Yeah, it looks good. I'm sure I can hide this element because I already don't need it because I have here everything I need. Now let's check how it looks here. Probably its start looks good, I'm sure. And not last thing, but one of last models this building and this element. I put here the same model because I don't see any reason to work with it too long time. Exactly for this image, you should remember about the purpose of this image. The purpose of this image, this car and environment around this car. So this is most important thing. Everything around this is additional information. So that's why I build it not so carefully, as you can see, of course, because I believe this is not so important. This is environment. I need add here just something, and that will be enough. And of course, if it will little bit different, not like in original reference, nothing important. And of course I will add here this building. Probably I think I will copy the building from this scene, because I just put here a few elements from here and combine them somehow. This is not so difficult, but I will spend a lot of time to do this right now. So I will show it to you. Yeah, this is one element. Yeah, this is another element. Nothing difficult. I just put them together and that's everything. So I will copy, group them, and I will copy them here to the computer, and I will put it here. Computer, put it. And of course I will put it in the same place, but probably last time that was smaller building. Never mind, I will make it bigger or double it. Let's move it here. Probably I will make it bigger because the size of the layer should be the same, but or almost the same. I think I will move these boxes a little bit. Something like this. Here is good. Looks good. Why not? Little bit bigger. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good and everything's okay. I don't need to add here anything. I will just in real project I will add here some glass, but right here I will just move this box behind this wall, and I will make it black, and that's how I will hide everything in the windows. Almost everything ready. Last objects I need to add here. This is a flower pots here, but probably I don't like this to do this so long. Of course I can choose a lot of different small plants, small tree, small flowers or something like, but I don't like to do it. I don't want to do it right now because I should do it fast, and I should finish to work with my reference so fast as I can. That's why I will add here some plane, and I will add some forest pack on this plane, and that will be enough. Of course I will hide it. Right now I will show you how. Oh. So the flowers will be grow up from exactly from the stone. Who cares? Like in real life, almost. I will copy it here. Excuse me for my jokes. Maybe this is a lot of too much of jokes, but this is my workshop. Do your workshop and joke so much as you want. I will move it in here. Yeah. Convert to editable poly. And something like this. Yeah. Next point, I will choose both of them, go to object properties, and I will turn off renderable. So I will not render them. I need this polygon just for scattering grass. Which grass I will use? Probably I don't remember, but some flowers from here, and I think that was some flowers with the white bottom part, with the white flowers with white something. Collections meta. Probably, of course, I can take it from. Let's take it from here, because I will longer trying to find it. Yeah, that was some flower from Megascans. Computer copy. Yeah, let's go next. We will add them here, and of course probably I can convert them to editable poly and attach. No, I will not attach them, because I will have I will need different count of the flowers. Let's start with this one. Yeah, where's my forest pack? I always use forest pack, because of course I know Corona have its own. To enable camera clipping, no thank you. Corona have its own scatter, but I use Forest Pack because I use a lot of render systems. For example, Veray, Corona, and of Storm, and all of them are supported Forest Pack. That's why I use exactly Forest Pack, because Corona Scatter doesn't work with F Storm, for example. With Forest Pack, I can use any render system, do not change anything, and switch between different render system. Proxy mode, enable them, yes, why not. What's here? I will clear shader. I will go to display. I will change to point clouds. I will work with the transform. I will add all check boxes. Yeah, as I remember, they call checkbox. Geometry is okay. Distribution, I will add here full, and I will make smaller units. Yeah, units count, something like this. Let's try, and probably I think I will make them bigger, something like this. Yeah, let's check how it looks. Probably right now it's time to turn off the, how it called, denoiser, because I don't see how much I need these flowers. I think maybe more. Yeah. Distribution. Let's add here some region, because you know I'm not sure I need these empty elements and empty places. Maybe bigger? No. Higher? No. Maybe not. Yeah, here's better. Here's okay. I will stop it, and I will work with this poly, with this plane, probably the same. Camera clipping, no. Full transform, enable. I will add the max size. Geometry, I will push plus. I will add all of elements here. Display proxy mode, let it be. Display, I will change it to let's go to distribution. Yeah, let's look how, let's check how it looks. Where do you get the car model from? I don't remember. I have a lot of models. I already more than 15 years do these renders. Really, guys, I do not remember. I have a lot of different models. I don't remember where I can take them. But of course you can Google it. Turbo Squid, What else? Design connected, a lot of different websites you can find the models. I like it. I like it. What else I need here? Flower pot. I forget about flower pot here. That probably that will be last element, and we will go to the lighting. Of course, this is long modeling, but we should do this for sure because we need to understand how to what's important here. I think I will add this one. I like it. You are doing great job. Your work and tutorial really helps. Thank you for these words. These were important for me and for us. I'm not alone, of course. Here is the team of guys who build render.camp, and this is very important for all of us. And of course, we will continue and we will do this world much better. We already do this from 2050, something like. I probably, yeah, 2050. So right now it's almost 7 years we doing our courses. So you just can you can I really, you just don't, you can't imagine what we're doing on the course. Here is not more than 1% we're doing on course, because our course are going something like 5 weeks, 5 weeks and some additional time, and here we have a lot of work, of course. Let's start to work with the lighting. First of all, I would like to add, you can't believe, the glass to this place, because to the window, front window of the car. I don't know the name of it. No, who cares? Legacy. The black shader. Yeah, that's okay. And of course I will add it here. Probably I can do a glass material checkbox on the glass material, and I will see what happens between in the next of here. And I think I should make this tree little bit bigger, because my composition needs, yeah, here it looks much better, much better. What else? Probably I would like to make this column bigger, but I have nothing under this column. That's why I I don't want to move it too high. Maybe I will make it bigger. Yeah, a little bit bigger. This is okay. Oh, I forget about this glass. This glass is have some color. I don't want to use ready shaders. I will build everything by myself. Just this front glass. Yeah. Okay, first thing I need to do, this is the lighting. That's why I will add here HDRI map, but I would like to add here HDRI map without any sun. This is very important thing. Of course, I can add here just a color, and it will renders much faster. Never mind, you choose. But this is important just for reflection. So let's try to do this. Run a bit map. Maybe I should stop the render. And HDR I haven't. If you don't know this website, you should find it for sure. Or maybe I can try to light this scene only without HDRI map. Why not? Maybe like this one, but probably I think I should have some clouds on the sky or something like this. Probably I don't remember which sky model I used when I work with this tank farm. Let's try to use this tank farm. Why not? Right now we start doing most interesting part. I think we will use this background, uh, but for the lighting we will use solid color. Yeah. Okay, direct visibility. Let's try to check how it looks. Maybe we will use it with the lighting, maybe not. I'm not sure about it. I will turn off the sun. Of course, I will roll the this. Probably it looks good, but too sun is too high. I will copy this and I will choose I will add a lot of IR because I would like to add here this shader, because I would like to see what exactly I see in reflection, because this is most important object in my scene. Yeah, but probably that looks good. This model not so accurately, but never mind, it's okay. Let's go next. I will route my HDRI map. 30, 60, 90, maybe a little bit more, 90. Probably I would like to have cleaner sky. This is not exactly what I need. That's why I will change it. But never mind, okay, I will change it and later I will check the angle position. Cleaner sky, like this hopper and a bone hopper. Let's use it. Here is exactly clear sky. Right now I am thinking only about reflections. Yeah, that looks much more much nicer as for me. And of course I would like to roll it a little bit more, 120. Yeah, that looks good, I think. Maybe a little bit too much. Yeah, here is better. That's everything I need. And next, probably, of course, I can leave this type of lighting, but I will do a little bit in different way. I will copy it here, directly visible, reflection, refraction, and I will add it here. Instance. Yeah, that's everything okay. But here I will add the color. I will take this color from this place. Why I do this? Because in this case I can do the shadows darker, and that's exactly most important thing I ever should have. But where I can take the light? Excuse me. Or this is just a reflection? Or this is just a... this is a reflection. Interesting. Okay. But how I take this light? This is not reflection, this is exactly light. So this is some mistake. This is shadows. Here is nothing. Maybe no, my sun is turned off. Where I can take, maybe I delete the reflection at all. But probably this is mistake. Some kind of mistake. Of course we don't need it. Yeah, this is reflection. So strange, but okay. I will work with it. And of course I will add the sunlight. Of course I will go back to the gray material mod because I don't want to work with this with the shaders right now. Yeah, I will, yeah, use this single map. And first of all, probably most important thing, I don't work with the tone mapping, and I will not work with it so long as I can, because first of all I should build the light and shadow composition without using any additional any additional tool. So I can open it with Photoshop, and I will try to describe you how dark should be light and shadow composition. For example, like this. So we should have this type of light and shadow composition. Uh, so we will try to do it. As you can see right now is not enough. That's why I will do the sun more powerful. Never mind if I will receive over lights or something like this. In this right now it's not so important. Yeah, right now good, looks good. And this is exactly, I will copy this image and I will show you sometime. Yeah, right now I think I have a little bit more than I need of contrast. That's why I will make it not so high. Yeah, but shadows I will make lighter and little bit more colorful. Yeah, that's main thing you should remember. We should control all the colors of light and all the contrast of light. If not, this is a problem. Of course I will add some color to the sun. Probably I would like to make it brighter. Yeah, that looks good. I think, yeah, I will make exposure a little bit higher. Maybe that's why I will make a little bit lower sun, but exposure I will make a little bit higher. I would like to add some sharpness because I love sharpness. Yeah. What else? I think next up will be add here displacement, because this is very important part of work and part of composition. Here is white flat, but when we will add the displacement, it will be darker. So let's add here planner. I will add 3000 because I know the texture I will take. That will be not models, textures. Probably I don't remember. I take this texture from here, I think. No? I don't remember. Let's try to find it here. gravel. I have something from here. No. No, I don't, and I will try to find it from another place. That will be not friendly shade. That will be, I forget. Real displacement texture. Yeah. RDT3. And I will take this one. Forest Road 04. Tax. Yeah. I will open this. I will add here one new view. Let be I'm not sure how it depths at 8K. I think will be enough, but probably I think this is too big stones on this texture. But let's check it. And of course, yeah, it looks a little bit too big, but I will make it smaller and maybe random it. But right now looks good, but maybe too big, still too big. Of course, I'm a little bit afraid of tiling. Let's try to find something different, and let's check which shader I use here. I will go here with it. Textures.com. Oh, this was texture from textures.com. So okay, let's go. Nice idea. Textures.com. Let's try to find gravel. Textures.com. I probably I don't like Megascan's their textures. That's why that's why I don't use it. Then don't use them. But some of these, it should be. Oh, rock bad. Looks good. Exactly. Yeah, that I'm almost sure that was exactly I use in this case. I will download it here. I will download diffuse and high texture. Yeah. I will. I need wait some time. These textures will download, but right now you understand, yeah. When we add here displacement, the frame gets a little bit harder. I don't know, the bottom part not so bright, so of course we will have possibility to add some sunlight, a little bit more of sun. I think I will go back to 3000. Yeah. It should be faster for sure. $30 seconds, 95, 97, 90 seconds, 93, 92, 90, 18, 16. I don't know these names. 6, 8. I don't see these numbers. 3 second, 2, 1. Finish. Thank you, God. Let's check the desktop. This high. Yeah. So let's. He will change it. I hope. I hope you will. Or not. Yeah. Here is exactly. I need. I think I will make it bigger, maybe 5. 5 is too much. Let's add here 4, and I will make it 150. No, this is too big. 90. Of course, I will make it lower later. This is not important right now. Or I can make the car higher, because probably I would like to move the sunbeds higher too, because I would like to give them little bit of light. Right now they flights. Right now it's good. I will group this model. I will move it like yeah, that's enough. Never doing you always should try to work with the tires when tires little bit underground, because in this case it will look like the car exactly standing in this place, not like with the furniture, when the furniture almost do not touch the ground. Let's work with it. Maybe higher little bit. Yeah, I like this. I would like to make this first plant 3. I would like to move it. Maybe a little bit lower. No. Yeah, like this one. I cover this. Oh, I forget about one not so important thing, but I forget about it. About this. I was build it by myself with the marvelous. That was pretty fast. Someday I will show you some lesson with the tricks about marvelous, but not today. Computer, copy. I will add it here. Yeah, great. I should use this point, and of course I think I will make it higher because I don't want to see these troubles. Yeah, and of course I will add here basic shader because I needed to. Let's start. Yeah, that's okay. What next? Of course I will trees bushes. I think this is bushes, not tree. I am talking about this trees. Of course, I already use them. Right now, I will not use them at all, but I will add here one additional shader. Oh, one more important thing I forget about these elements. Yeah, let's copy them too. Yeah, and I will put it somewhere here, closer to the camera. If you're just connected to workshop and you don't understand where I can take where you can take these models, I show where you can take them on the beginning of workshop. All of this is all of these models is from max 3. Visit this website and you will find them. This should be closer a little bit, not little bit, probably somewhere here. And it like when the objects are absolutely on the in the end of the frame, it always looks not so good. I will move them closer to the fence. And hide it a little bit. I will make it bigger because I would like move them to the fans because it looks not natural. Right now it looks better, as for me. Right now, as for me, looks better. Maybe wider. Let's leave them like this. Yeah. What's next? Let's go to add here some colors. Select similar, maybe with the lemon trees in the same moment. Yeah. I will copy lemon trees textures because there we have exactly lemons and branch. I don't want to copy these elements, but I will copy this one. Okay, let's work with all of them. Yeah. And I will take here Tutorials Corona Legacy. I will add this new, oh, excuse me, select similar because I would like to do it a little bit faster. No, he didn't want to help me. But right now it's everything okay. I think I already choose all of them, and I will add all of them to the, I will exclude all of them from the materials, and I will work with all of them in the same moment. Yeah. Okay, I should go to the second F4 pack and delete this shader from this place because I don't need it. Geometry. No. Yeah, geometry. I should choose all of them. Clear. Okay. Let's go next. The next point, this is a build here main greenery material. Of course, I should try to do the same like here. What I can see here is pretty dark shadows, and that means maybe I should make the shadows darker. Maybe I will make it with the next step. I will make a little bit lower albedo. I will make it a little bit warmer. Okay, I will add here reflection. Of course, I will make it a little bit lower. I will add some glossiness here. Maybe I will add here a little bit of colored glossiness. A little bit. Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Looks good, but a little bit too much of glossy. Okay, let's copy color to translucency. I will make it higher, and of course higher, like 0.2, maybe 0.3. I will add the color little bit warmer. Everything I try to copy from here. For example, colors of greenery. Yeah, and right now it looks great. Exactly I need. Okay, let's add here. Probably I don't want to work with the building because that will means I should change the shader on it, but I don't want to do this. So I will leave it right now. Guys, I hope everything good with the connection and you still hear me and everything okay. Because I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure about my internet connection. I hope you hear me well right now. Guys, give me any information on chat if you hear me. If you hear me. All fine. Yeah, but I don't know why I don't see my stream on my YouTube, but I see your comments. Okay, I will continue. Maybe this is some, I don't know, some strange situation, but okay. Let's go to the car. I always, this very important thing, please listen me carefully, guys. First of all, you should work with local colors. Always use local colors. For example, with the car, do not work with uh, separate shaders in the same moment. I mean, if you work with the car, paint all car. That will help you more than you divide it. The shader for the car. So everything's okay. Thank you, guys. Black color. I never use exactly black, but you can use something like 2, 1, 4, maybe 1, and a little bit lower. Yeah, of course, higher reflection, maybe something like this. No, better I will make the black because I would like to receive so dark shadow as I can. Yeah, but I'm not sure why. I remember I should exclude all of them. Yeah, that's exactly what I need. And the ground, of course. Let's work with it here. Corona Legacy. I will exclude it too. Of course, I would like to exclude all of them. For example, these fences and all other objects, but I don't have possibility to do this because I don't have these textures, shaders, but probably I can uh, I can take the textures from the from here. Why not? I forget about this option. Yeah, and I think I will take the texture shader from this guy, and right now I will have possibility to select similar. Yeah, and that's why I will add here one shader. Material Corona Legacy. Of course, without this shader, without no, with this, but without this. Yeah, I will add the reflection, but not so much of reflection. Of course, I will. And I forget one important thing. I do not change physical camera to Corona camera, but I still not use nothing from Corona camera, but later I will. I would like to add here exclusions. Probably I will make it darker. Here I will add a little bit of color. I will make it darker for sure because I need to make it darker. And right now I should try to find this color. Of course, not so reflected. And I think the sun should be not so bright. But that will means I should make exposure higher and contrast higher. And I absolutely don't understand and don't like this situation. I don't understand why it works in this way, because it shouldn't work in this way. Of course, I will change the color of shadow a little bit, because right now it's too blue. It should be closer to red. Something like this. Maybe not so, yeah. Maybe not so colored. And maybe a little bit of red on the sun. Yeah, right now, much better. I would like to make exposure higher. I would like to add, I would like to try add here some vignette. Little bit of vignette, yeah. Something like this. I would like to add some contrast. Less of reflections on greenery bushes. little bit more of exposure. Yeah. Fans, for example. I will make level lower. I think I will make it darker. Not so colored. And again, I will have possibility to add to do higher exposure. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Probably I would like to add the same color in here because it's too white. For now, it looks strange here. Like not from this, not from here. Yeah. Next step, I would like to add some colors on here. I will do strange thing. I will copy this model and I will add the additional shader to this building. Oh. I will take this shader, for example, from here. I will copy it because it's almost ready. I need just change color. No, this is not JPEG, this is HDRI for sure. We can check it here. But never mind. Never mind. With JPEG, it shouldn't be this problem too. I will try this. I will find the solution, but later, of course, because right now this mistake. This is a lighting source. Here it can't light anyhow. Let's go next. I would like to exclude this wall. And of course, next step, I will add the red orange color on it because he should be with this. Maybe not this color, maybe I copy this shader. Yeah. Of course, I will edit. Looks good. Little bit warmer. Maybe a little bit deeper color, something like this. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, that looks good. I built this composition exactly from this light and color composition, light and shadow composition, of course, from this picture. I just remind you a little bit closer to red. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, next step, I will add more details here, of course. First of all, I will ungroup these armchairs. Probably, guys, we are almost finish this. I think we need not more than 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes till the end. So please be strong with us and share link to this workshop with your social media, because this is important for us. We would like to share our information with so much people as we can. I can't. Difficult to pick them. Building trees, bushes, car, fence, round. I will copy this shader. I will add it here. Start the render. I think I will make deeper color here. And probably I would like to receive here more lighted leaves. I will roll it a little bit. Here is good, but yeah, here is a little bit better. Okay, I will add here some color, because all of these shaders should be a little bit colored. I will add a little bit translucency with the same color. I think that's everything I will do with this. Maybe less of color. Yeah. Fans. Maybe I would like to choose these elements of armchair. And I will make it warmer too. But not yellow, of course, but just a little bit, not blue. Maybe I delete some part of the blue color here, because this is too little bit too much. Yeah. And I will make it a little bit deeper. Yeah. Here it looks better. too much of green. And here I one more thing, I would like to make this little bit not so yellow. Oh, this ground. Where this fence, big car, bushes, trees, basic. Never mind. Let's take it from this place. Little bit lighter. Maybe not so red, or not so what? Not so. I like it right now. Right now look good. Around. I would like to make it not so color red and not so translucency. Translucid. Yeah, like here is better. Contrast. Later I will add less of saturation, but little bit later. Right now I will change the camera because I would like to add depth of field. Okay. I will check the camera angle, degrees, and of course I will add the vertical tile and shift, automatical vertical tile. Yeah, Corona camera, it should be the same place. Yeah. Physical camera, select camera, delete it. Oh, okay. Top, front. Yeah. Let's start. Let's choose the camera. Let's add here depth of field, where the focus will be. I think not here. I think in the middle of the car, because I would like to receive more blue-red first plan. Go next. What type of scene you will cover in course, interior or exterior? Can you show some of the areas you will show during course? During course we use both of interior and exteriors, and during course every student build his own scene. Some of them, every student build two scene, one scene interior, second scene exterior, and both of these scenes you decide by your own. So you should found reference, and I will help you build exactly this reference by your own, and everybody in the on course will build his own image. This is very important for us. Select camera. Okay, I will make less of f-stops for probably for background. That is enough or not. Yeah, probably it's enough. Let's go next. What's next? I think first of all I will change the building, because I'm absolutely sure it will be the same shader from the original model. I will not add here anything. That's why I just put it here. And of course I will delete previous model. And of course I will add this model to I will exclude this model. This model already have her own its own texture, so I'm absolutely sure I don't need add anything on it. Later I will show you the result of the course, guys. I will show you course result and you will understand what exactly we made there. I like it, but probably I want to make all of this little bit warmer, but that's why let's go to here. For example, I will choose this texture. I will add here color correction. Because most important thing, this is all colors should be combined to each other. They should be comparable. So we have a warm picture, of course, and that's why we should change the colors a little bit right now. Okay, I would like to make them a little bit darker. That's why I will go to gamma. Yeah, looks good. I will add saturation because not enough of. Oh, yeah, right now looks good. Not exactly like here, but looks pretty much better than before. And I will copy this color correction and I will add it to other shaders of this wall. For example, here I will just put it here. And I will take bottom part and do the same. Yeah. The third floor, I can change it, but I don't need, because I don't see it anywhere. Maybe just okay. Yeah, that's okay. That's good. Uh, One more thing. I still want to make lower reflections, because this is too much for me, still too much, and here is still too much, and here is still too much. And a little bit less of saturation here. Still lighter, a little bit lighter. Yeah. Okay, let's go next. I will work with fans, because he need to be darker. I will choose one of them. First of all, it's higher. Yeah. Select similar. Okay. Last one. I will take this texture. I will delete this shader, and I will add to this new shader these textures. Of course, I will add bump. I don't need any roughness here. And I will check how it looks in the render. Yes, of course, guys, I will give you information about the course, but let me finish to this workshop. Of course, I will give you this information. If you would like to read it right now, I will help you a little bit with this. Right now I will send you three times I will send you the link, and here you can read carefully about the course. Of course, please give me to finish, because I will tell you a lot about course, of course, but little bit later. Can you wait maybe 5 minutes? Yeah. I would like to finish it. Yeah, probably I like it. I like this color. Maybe I will make it a little bit darker. And maybe, yeah, maybe a little bit darker. But I have a bad news about course, because we have just 4 free places. As I remember, till tomorrow, today's morning, I have information. We have only 4 places on it. That's why, if you want to be added on it, please read it carefully and give me your information. And I am sure tomorrow, or maximum day after tomorrow, we will finish. We will close this. We will stop to receive people on this course, so be careful about it. If you want to join us, do it better today or tomorrow. Darker. Yeah, here is much better. Let's go to work with this. Select similar. Yeah. I will add the second one. Probably I can try to add exactly this shader, because yeah, I will add exactly this shader, and I will make it darker, of course. And I will change the color on it. 62, 062. 2 places left at this time. Oh, guys, excuse me. Tonya knows better than me. Yeah, I will add this texture, this shader. Bump. And this is one more often that is mistake I probably meets very often, because a lot of people do do a lot of details, for example, here, but most important thing, this is not this element. Most important thing, this is car and something around this element. We don't need see here more details than we have right now. And last object, this is this person. I will delete this shader. I will add the texture here. I will add the bump here, and I will put this shader to this object, and of course I will change color correction, because right now it's a lot of color on it. He is too bright on this picture. We should hide part of this texture and make it not so important on this image. I will add a little bit of reflection, because this is important object and we should have reflections on it. Yeah, here is much better, much realistic. Yeah. And I will make the color a little bit closer to yellow, because it's too cold. Yeah, right now looks good. What's next? Let's add the texture on the floor. Round. I would like to add the, I will take this shader, I will copy it, and I will add the copy on it. And of course I will copy this texture. I will add the ground here. Yeah, and I will put diffuse texture here. Almost perfect, but of course we should change the color, because this is too bright. Too much red. We should make it a little bit more yellow. And I think lighter, because it's too... Yeah, right now it looks good. Here it looks good. Maybe a little bit lighter. Yo, 3. Thank you, guy. No, 1.2 maybe less. Yeah, less. 0.1, 1.1. But that looks good. Probably I like this. Okay, let's add the textures texture on the on this tree, because this is most important thing. Of course, we will add texture on the bushes and on the car. That will everything we should do. Trees, and I will probably I will add this shader, but of course I will delete this. I think I need to find somewhere this texture. Yeah, I will add. I will build the sphere. I will add these textures on texture on it, and I will go to the but this is it. This is it. So I will copy it, and I will put this shader here, and everything great. Yeah. And I will take just a texture from this place, from this shader, because this is original shaders from original model. Opacity, of course. Second one, this is a bump, because I would like to have some bump effect on this texture. Not so powerful, but who cares. I will add here texture. As we can see, here is too bright. I will work separately with the front side and the back side. Yeah, right now is better. And of course, probably I'm not sure I need to add here some special texture on translucency, because I like translucency right now, and this looks exactly like we need. And of course I would like to add the same shader here, because right now it's not. But here it looks good. I think the translucency color looks too yellow. And maybe I will make a little bit lighter. Yeah, it looks good right now. But probably I don't like this hole. That's why I will road it again. Oh, I can fix this hole in a different way. Yeah, that looks good. That looks better. What next? Let's work with the car. I think now it's the best time for work with the car. Let's add here chrome shader, and one more thing, we will add something, some special shader on the car. I will unhide you a little bit more special shader. Corona layer with MTL. Keep all map as submaterial. Yeah. I will copy this shader. I will make the glossiness lower. I will put it here. Yeah. But maybe not so low. Here it looks good. And I will add here is second material. And I will combine them. Maybe not so. Here looks good. And I will add it like maybe 90, maybe 80. That's how I will have a little bit more nice reflection. Of course, I will delete some part of overbright, but that is next point. I will copy this. I will add here some reflection. Maybe not so, like 4 is enough. And I will choose some additional elements like chrome elements. Maybe this one. I think too bright, yeah. And maybe we can add here some color, something like yellow. It will look a little bit more natural. Not so bright. Right now looks much better. Let's add here some glass for the stop lights. .5 reflection. Yeah. And I will add refraction color here. And maybe I will add reflection color a little bit, but not so brightful. Yeah, that will looks good. What next? Next is I will add the color to these models. For example, I will copy this one and I will make it lighter, a little bit warmer. Everything's okay. It will look better. I will add reflection here, but with the black color was better too. Yeah. And the last one, this is the tires. Of course I need add some shader on every of them, but right now I will choose only 2 of them. Corona, let it be layer red. I will copy this shader I will add it to the base material. I will make it lighter, little bit lighter, something like 2, maybe 3, maybe 5, never mind. And of course I need to add shader on this. Of course I make reflection more like this, and I will add here some mask. I will add whiter color, maybe not so white, maybe with a yellow again, but yellow like additional colors and other colors. And I will add it here, and I will add here mask from original model, just lines on the wheel. And guys, I will answer all your questions in a 2 minutes, I think. No, not in 2 minutes. I will tell you about course, and later I will answer all your questions. Somewhere here I had a tire, yeah. So this is a mask, and right now I have this line, but I don't like the tire because the tire right now is gray. I want to make it darker. Yeah, right now looks a little bit better. Yeah, right now looks good, and exactly close to our situation. Of course, here I render it a little bit longer, and here I have a sun on this building. That's why it looks a little bit different, but never mind. And of course, here is some post-production. Let's add texture. Maybe roll this wall a little bit. Roll it a little bit to the sun. It looks good. Sun, where are you? Behind the trees, I think. Oh, not behind the trees. Now I will roll this. I'm not sure about this solution because too much of attention to this wall we receive. Yeah, I will leave it exactly like this. So probably I like this image, and we receive this mood we take from the scene, and this is most important thing we should have. Of course, I will add blue glare, lower, and bloom intensity and glare intensity lower. Probably I will turn off the glare because I don't like these lines. I will use just small part of bloom. Like this. Size smaller. Of course we can add some part of this one. Probably, I'm not sure we need it right now. I know. Am I need to add here something? I like this picture and this render looks good. Probably I think that's enough. So right now I am almost ready to answer all your questions about today's workshop or any topic about computer graphics. Please ask me, and please repeat again your question if you add your question before. And right now I will show you our course, and I will answer all your questions about course. Of course, first of all, this is our course. Tonya right now will send you to the chat link to this workshop, to this course. This is exactly mine course. This course called Professional Visualization course. This course not for beginners. This course exactly for users who already work with the computer graphics and who already know the basics. You know, not only basics. Probably that you should be advanced user. That's why you will understand how to build these kind of images. This is not so easy to build them. And of course I will not explain basic information, how to build the boxes, what this texture, where you can take what is this reflection, how it works. But no, of course we will talk how it works, but about details, about most important things, not like we're doing today. Today we do probably maybe basic things, maybe a little bit more basic thing, but on my workshop I describe the main idea how to work. Of course on course we work more detailed, and most important thing, I will work exactly with you. So if you would like to work with me, and if you like to build this kind of picture like this one, like every of this one, these images, all of these images are from my course, from one of my course. All these images built in only one course, not during last 5 years. No, only one course, and this is results of students in one course. And interior, exteriors, every student decide which image he will build on the course. This is most important thing. I always told the same. You should choose impressive image, and only when you choose impressive image, your final result will impress you too. Okay, all these images was built exactly during one course, during 5 weeks, probably 3 weeks for interior and 2 weeks for exterior. This is a different render system, V-Ray, Corona, F-Storm. I can tell you a lot about our course, but the best way to show your result, this is a show result of our students. This is most important thing I can show you. That is me. That is our main um, main ideas we are putting the cars. Please read them all carefully, and please read all information on this website, because we build it very carefully. And one more important thing, uh, the guys who will apply course today, for right now, with these links on this on our chat, we will propose you tomorrow. We will call you tomorrow in the working hours, and we will propose you special price offer. Of course, right now it's last week before course starts. Course will start next week, next Monday. Uh, that's why discount will be not so big, but uh, we will propose you some small discount for this course, because you are here. You are here with us till the end. So we're proud of you, and that's why we will do this. Okay, we will have three different uh, tax price variations. Please choose any of them, and of course we will propose you, we will explain you, we will answer all your questions about all of these prices when you will leave us your phone number, and tomorrow we will call you in a working hours. Okay, let's go to the chat, and I will answer all your questions right now. Does realism in night view of interior render is hard to achieve compared to day view? It depends of your feeling, you know. No, probably I should tell you the truth, because not every artist have his own powerful sites, powerful tools. For example, one artist can do the night renders perfectly, but another artist unfortunately can't. I don't know why, but somebody feel this. I'm talking not about night renders. I'm talking about every type of work. For example, I can build uh, day. For example, nice blue sky with a strong sun, but somebody not. Somebody can build only shadow day, and he feel this. Of course, the person, my voice is tired a little bit. Excuse me. Somebody can build everything. For example, for me, not so important what weather or what time of the day I will work with. For me, absolutely everything is okay. But some artists are little bit not so not have so much functionality. Does the course applies for Mexico too? Is there a schedule or pre-recorded? That both of them. We have pre-recorded videos for shaders, for building, for modeling scene, for pipeline, something like this. I still continue record these videos, but of course main part of our video, this is live. We meet together 3 times a week, Monday, Thursday and Friday, and not Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. and every day I give you my feedback about your homework. Every day I record video where when I comment your work and I tell you what you should to do, and explain you how you should to do this. So um, our students give this result exactly because we are working a lot. Probably. Awesome. It is in English. Yes. Right now, all render camp with English language. Only with English language. We start work with English language not so long time ago, and that's why and we will continue talking English only for the future. Okay, I understand, guys. You are tired right now. We did nice picture. I like it pretty much. Uh, right now, I tell you much more about my understanding of image building. So, if you want, please join us. Our course starts next Monday, so you have just 3 days before start. If you will give us your phone number today, we will give you small discount. Tomorrow in the working hours we will call you, and that's all. See you somewhere in August, I think, before after this course. So thank you and see you next time.